In this video, I'll give you top 5 books on building self-confidence. And coming in at number 5 is Confidence Gap. Now, there are two definitions of confidence. The feeling of confidence that most people think is confidence and the action. Now, confidence, the word comes from Latin roots. Con, which means with, and fidere means trust. So the word confidence really means to act with trust. And that is the real definition of confidence in some ways. So the confidence gap really is most people are waiting for the feeling of confidence in order to take action. But it is the other way around. Confidence requires action. The great Nelson Mandela, he said, I had fear, but I acted with confidence despite the fear I had. So what he did was, in face of fear, he took action. So he was confident even though he was scared. He took action, and that's what made him confident. So how do you develop confidence in any area of life? Well, first you identify the goals you have in that area. Then you identify the specific actions you need to take which are aligned with your values. So you have to be very clear on the values you have. The next step is to accept your feelings or emotions as they are. And the next step is to take actions in alignment with your values. Not in alignment with your feelings or emotions, but in alignment with your values. When you follow these 4 steps, you will develop confidence in any area of life. Okay, coming in at number 4 is The Power of Self-Confidence by Brian Tracy. Now, one of the most important laws of self-confidence is the law of becoming. And as Brian Tracy says, we are constantly becoming what we think about most of the times. Always think about the person you want to become. Act as if you already are the person you want to become. And that will give you confidence. That will rewire your nervous system and you will become the new person, the self-confident person. Another way to develop your self-confidence is to set and achieve progressively bigger and bigger goals. Set and achieve bigger goals to gain confidence. But the key here is to start where you are. Start with the smallest step possible. Start with the most achievable goal right now in front of you. And once you accomplish it, you can go bigger and you can accomplish bigger goals. It is like learning to walk. One step at a time. You started to walk one step at a time. You developed that confidence in your walking skills over time. And over time, progressively, you had bigger and bigger goals when it came to walking. And it's the same with any other endeavor in life. Okay, coming in at number 3 is the book Mindset by Carol Dweck. Now, there are 2 different mindsets that people have. Fixed mindset and growth mindset. Fixed mindset is all about thinking that your talents, your skills, your abilities in any given area are fixed. You feel that you have no confidence in your ability to grow in that area, you cannot grow. However, growth mindset says, I can grow, I can get better at whatever I want. Ability is not a gift. I can develop myself, I must develop myself. However, fixed mindset says the ultimate gift in life is ability or talent. And if you are smart or talented, you don't need the effort. However, growth mindset says the ultimate gift in life is the one we all have, that we can constantly grow ourselves and get better. And that leads to confidence. So when you have fixed mindset, effort is a bad thing. And you think either I have confidence in any area, in any given endeavor, or I don't. However, growth mindset says my confidence is not limited. I can develop myself, I can become better, I can grow in any area with effort, and that is the key. So we must develop growth mindset rather than fixed mindset. Coming in at number 2 is The Gifts of Imperfection. Now, here's the thing. If you feel you're not enough, if you feel you're not worthy, if you struggle to own yourself and your own story, if you feel like you want to be someone else, if you are seeking perfection as the answer to all your problems, if you feel that you are imperfect while everyone else is perfect, well, this book will give you the answer. The key to confidence in life is to learn to be ourselves, to embrace our whole selves, to own ourselves as we are. Authenticity is the greatest accomplishment in life. As Ralph Waldo Emerson said, to be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you someone else is the greatest accomplishment. And let them see your true self. That is the ultimate confidence. So stop trying to be someone else. Instead, own who you are. So your goal in life is to be authentic. And when we seek authenticity and they don't like us, it is still okay. We accomplished our goal of being authentic. Being authentic is a process. It will take time. It will take effort. The key The key here is to not make approval or acceptance your goal. Because when we start to seek approval and we don't get it, we think, I'm not good enough. So seeking approval or acceptance is an end result. If we are after that, that will really be a challenge to our self-confidence. So here's the fundamental understanding for building self-confidence. Never trade in your authenticity for approval from others. When you stop believing in your worthiness and you start hustling for it, you've lost the battle already. Coming in at number 1 is Presence by Amy Cuddy, who is a professor at Harvard University. Now, here's how you can have confidence on command. All you have to do is change your body language. From nervous, powerless pose to a very powerful pose. Now, how do you define a powerful pose? When you stand up tall, occupy as much space as you need to have, as you want to have, with your legs wide, your hands on your waist, your chest out, and with a resolute face. When you have such a powerful pose, it does something very interesting to your body's chemistry. It will change your hormone levels. Yeah, this has been scientifically proven. It will change your hormone levels in a way that it increases your dominance hormone, it increases your testosterone levels, and it decreases your stress hormone, your cortisol levels. In a matter of 2 minutes, if you take on this powerful pose, you will automatically have confidence. So these are just 5 of the 60 mental toughness books summarized in our mental toughness program. There's over 15 plus hours of video content in the program, and you can check it out at 2000books.com/tough or by clicking right here. In the program, we have over 300 great mental toughness tips, tools, and strategies on building confidence, building self-esteem, handling stress, handling anxiety, overcoming obstacles, developing a warrior mindset, performing at your best under pressure, developing character, conquering fear, basically becoming mentally indestructible in life. So if you want to check out the program where we have summaries of the 60 greatest books on mental toughness, click right here or go to 2000books.com/tough.